Hi, thank you very much for joining me again. Today I came to Impark. Impark is the biggest used car trading mall located in Incheon. Actually, this is very close to our Incheon office. This big trading mall has hundreds of domestic and popular international brands cars, which are all available to sell inside the Korea or export outside to the other countries. Actually, Impark has two buildings, Impark Tower and Impark Hub. Now we are on a beautiful roof of Impark Tower. Today I came here to review one of the outstanding, wonderful, available products from Kia company. This is nothing except a Kia Stonic 2019. This is one of the outstanding, available compact SUV from Kia company. I have done a comprehensive inspection for one of our valuable buyers, and I want to make a review video for you. So if you want to have this car, please feel free to contact me. In order to provide more details about this car, let's walk throughout the exteriors and interiors of this car. Yes, as you are seeing, this car comes with a beautiful brightening white color, and it has very beautiful wheels. The tires have enough treads, so you don't need to replace them immediately. As you are seeing, there is no main scratches or dent. You are seeing the car from backside. You are seeing the Stonic mark. Let's show you inside the car. As you are seeing, the seats came in leathers without any scratches. Inside the car is very clean, like outside the car. Let's show you the back seats. I got inside the car. As you can see, this car has some good options, including folding mirror. There are some options which are considered on the steering. You can answer your phone, you can control the volume, you can switch to the cruise, you can also change the mood. This car has high pass and also black box. As you can see, it has heated seats and ventilated seats, and also it has heated steering. As you can see, it has also a very transparent rear camera. As I put it on R, there is no shock. I put it on D, also there is no shock. Yes, as you are hearing, the engine sound is very normal. I have tested all the options. They are working well. Okay, friends, let's do a very short test drive. Yes, as you can see, the acceleration is very powerful. Steering is very smooth, and the brake system works very well. Overall, the car is in a very good condition. Okay, friends, we did a very short test drive. The acceleration is very powerful, the steering is very smooth, and the brake system works well. This is a gasoline compact SUV. This car has been driven only for 85,296 kilometers. The car is in a very good condition. I strongly recommend this car for anybody who wants to drive such a car inside the city or those who wants to export this to their country. Thank you very much for continuous watching of our videos.